So here we are at Grandma's. Hi, Mackenzie. Yeah, we're very aware. Oh, goodness. And we have the hiccups. Yeah. Oh. Oh. What you looking at? Mackenzie. Goodness. Hello, Bright Eyes. Oh. Okay. Yes, we've got the hiccups. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. I think I know how to scare them out of you. Yes, I do. Obama's still president. I know. I know. It's just terrible.